Hi, this is Klaus Telmark, New Hampshire 4-H Science Guy, and I'm here to announce the 4-H Mousetrap Car Challenge. The Mousetrap Car Challenge is a challenge to build a small car, power it with a single mousetrap, and seeing how far it can go. Now there are lots of ideas for how you can build a mousetrap car, but this is one simple design. I used cardboard for a body, CDs for wheels. I've got a wooden dowel attached to the mousetrap and a string which powers the rear axle. If you want more ideas on how to build a mousetrap car, go to the website listed at the end of this video. There's lots of ways to explore. Once you build your basic car, experiment with different ideas and different construction techniques to see how far you can make your car go. The Mousetrap Car Challenge will be held at the New Hampshire 4-H Makers Expo on April 13th in Meredith, New Hampshire. I'll see you there.